Hello lads, today we are just taking a look at this BB called M1911. So because I'm Lego, I put some Lego in. Its sights are meh. Does have the working mag release. Let me show you how I reload it. Boom. So yeah guys, my new BB gun, awesome. I was just watching some Let Me Explain Studios. Check her channel out. She's a really good YouTuber. She does animations and all that stuff. I like animations. I try to do it and I am sick. I also have this Easy 8 Sherman tank right here. My own design. This is basically the only track I have, so I had to use those. But the track, I really like it. Awesome. I made this British tank as a machine gun. That's actually a 2mm cannon. There's a machine gun. It has this gold right on the barrel, and it can move up. I have like a Russian machine gun, and I have this little gun here, which actually has an adjustable. So yeah guys, just some Lego builds I have. I just ready to go, so that's all nice. Also, this is what you guys are on, so yeah. New Lego pistol. No more Lego guns on this channel, okay guys? If you want to see more of my Lego guns, check out Lego Gunner 2233 to see Lego guns. So yeah guys, peace out, subscribe, leave a like, goodbye.